Let's be honest, a great cup of coffee can make your day. That rich aroma filling your kitchen, the comforting warmth in your hands, and that first delicious sip. It's a ritual many of us cherish. But achieving coffee nirvana at home can feel elusive. Fear not, fellow coffee enthusiast. The journey to brewing an exceptional cup is within your grasp. We'll break down the essentials, from the importance of fresh beans to mastering your brewing technique. Get ready to impress your taste buds and unlock a whole new level of coffee satisfaction. Are you ready to elevate your daily coffee ritual? Let's dive in. Imagine biting into a piece of fruit that's past its prime. Disappointing, right? The same principle applies to coffee. Freshness is paramount. Those precious coffee beans are bursting with flavor compounds, but over time, they lose their vibrancy when exposed to air. Always check for a roasted on date when buying beans. Aim to use them within 2 weeks for optimal flavor. Storing your beans properly is crucial too. An airtight container, away from heat and light, is your best bet. Remember, fresh beans equal a delicious cup of coffee. Don't underestimate the power of this simple step. Grinding your beans right before brewing is a game changer. Think of it like this. When you grind coffee, you increase its surface area, allowing more of those delicious flavors to infuse into your cup. But this also means those flavors are more exposed and can dissipate quickly. Invest in a quality grinder and experiment with different grind sizes. A coarser grind is perfect for a French press, while a finer grind is ideal for espresso. The wrong grind size can lead to over-extraction, bitter, or under-extraction, weak. Mastering your grind is key to unlocking your coffee's full potential. It's all about finding that sweet spot for your preferred brewing method. Section 4. Temperature, the balancing act. Water temperature is another crucial factor in brewing a delicious cup of coffee. Too hot, and you risk scorching your beans, resulting in a bitter taste. Too cold, and you won't extract those delightful flavors, leaving you with a disappointing brew. The ideal brewing temperature falls between 195 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, or 90 to 96 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a fancy kettle with temperature control, simply bring your water to a boil and let it rest for about 30 seconds before pouring it over your grounds. Remember, finding the right temperature is a balancing act. Get it right, and you'll be rewarded with a beautifully balanced and flavorful cup. Section 5. Brew methods, a world of choices. Now for the fun part, choosing your brewing method. From the classic French press to the elegant pour-over, each method offers a unique way to extract those precious coffee flavors. Experiment and discover your favorite. The French press produces a full-bodied cup with a heavier mouthfeel, while a pour-over like the Hario 560 offers a cleaner and brighter taste. Espresso, with its concentrated flavor, is perfect for those who like their coffee strong. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might just stumble upon your new go-to brewing method. Section 6. Elevate your coffee game. You've mastered the basics, but there's always more to explore in the world of coffee. Consider these additional tips to further enhance your brewing skills. First, water quality matters. Filtered water can significantly impact the taste of your coffee, so ditch the tap water. Next, explore different beans. From the fruity notes of Ethiopian Yirgacheffe to the chocolatey richness of a Sumatran mandolin, there's a world of flavors to discover. Also, adjust your ratio. Play around with the coffee-to-water ratio to fine-tune the strength of your brew. Remember, the perfect cup of coffee is subjective. It's all about finding what you enjoy most. So embrace the journey, experiment, and savor every sip. Ready to embark on your coffee adventure? Visit our website for the best prices on freshly roasted beans and brewing equipment. Happy brewing!